In this video we focus on international fundraising and how you can find grants and sponsors for your projects abroad. As a company based in Switzerland, we know that charitable foundations domiciled in Switzerland and Germany combine for over $200 billion in assets alone. If you add the charitable foundations active in the United Kingdom and other European countries, you realize how large the sector is. Not all, but a fair share of those foundations and funds is active internationally and can support projects abroad. The following tips about how to use our database will help you to find efficiently grant-giving organizations for your project. Search for the country and the continent where the projects take place, because many foundations limit their activities geographically. Here we search for South Africa and limit the search results further to a given topic. Let's take here education. Also, we want to limit the search results exclusively to grant-giving organizations. Further, we reduce the search results only to organizations domiciled in Switzerland. Now with this selection we have found all grant-giving organizations in Switzerland that can support education in South Africa. On the profile you can look up contact information, funding history, board members, user comments. You can also post your own comments in order to share your experience with this particular organization. And if the organization seems relevant, add it to one of your favorite lists. The same logic you can now apply for an entire continent and search, for example, for foundations that support educational projects in Africa or even globally. Once you have added the addresses you consider important to your favorite lists, it is time to think about how to reach out. Some foundations might give grants directly abroad. To those you can send your proposal. For others, we recommend you work with partner organizations domiciled in the respective European countries. You can find such also in our database. In most cases, those would be labeled as grant-seeking organizations. I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, just reach out to us.